Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Now my dear student, let us start our class. Our today's topic is exercise 4.1. From 4.1 we shall solve on CQ, which is CQ number 14. Dear student, today is our lecture number 10 of half yearly and today's SW number will be 5. My dear student, question number 14 will be solved in our class as CW and it will be also your SW. So I hope you all have this book and open page number 56. From page number 56 we shall solve question number 14. I have already written this question on the board. So in order to solving this question, at first we read the question. Notice the two numbers are A and B. The two numbers are A and B. Here A greater than B. That means the value of A is greater than number B. The sum of the two numbers is 12. That means if we do addition of A and B, they will get 12. And the product is 32. That means if we do product of A and B, then we get 32. That means A plus B equal to 12 and AB equal to 32. Okay. So question number A, multiply with the help of the formula twice x plus 3 into twice x minus 7. That means, dear student, we do this multiplication by using formula. Which formula? X plus A into x plus B. Next question B, find the value of 2a square plus 2b square. That means, dear student, notice using this value, that means A plus B equal to 12 and AB equal to 32. Okay, using this value we need to find out the value of 2a square plus 2b square. Next question, question number C, prove that A plus B whole square minus 5b square equal to 176. That means we need to do calculation of left hand side and need to make 176 and in left hand side by using A plus B equal to 12 and AB equal to 32. Dear student, so let us start question number A of 14. Okay, here the numbers are twice x plus 3 into twice x minus 7. So do you know this formula? X plus A into x plus B. And what is the formula? The formula was x square plus A plus B into x plus A into B. Okay, just like this one, we apply this formula in this section. Here x means twice x and A means plus 3, B means minus 7. So now we do apply this formula in this section. That means x square, that means 2x square. Okay, that means formulas plus, after that A plus B. Here A is plus 3, that means we write 3, and B plus B. Plus B means here B is minus 7. So minus and this plus, here minus 7 into x. Here x is twice x. That means formulas plus, after that AB. Here A is 3 and B is minus 7. So x square plus A minus A plus B into x plus AB. Okay. Now we do calculation and we get answer. So here 2 square, that means 4. X square means x square. So 4x square. Now plus sign is here. If we subtract minus 7 from plus 3, then we get minus 4 into twice x. Now minus plus, and it will be minus 3 7 jars 21. Now 4x square plus minus minus 4 2 jar 8x minus 21, and this is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Okay, so this is question number A. Next we shall solve question number B. Question number B, in order to solve the question number B, we need the stems information where A and B are two given numbers. So first of all, you write given that given that the two numbers are A and B, where A greater than B. That means if the value of A is 6, then the value of B must be less than this 6. Okay. So next, according to the information, A plus B, that means the sum of the two numbers is 12. That means A plus B equal to 12, and the product is AB is 32. Now we need to find out the value of 2A square plus 2B square. Now write here, now 2A square plus 2B square. Now we take 2 as common and left A square plus B square. Now notice, this is the formula of A square plus B square, and it is the A plus B whole square minus twice AB. Why this formula? Because the value of A plus B is given. But if the value of A minus B is given, then we write here A minus B whole square plus twice AB. So as the value of A plus B is given, so we write this formula. Okay. Now we put the value of A plus B and AB in the given expression. So the value of A plus B is 12. 12 square minus 2 into the value of AB is 32. Now here we give side note. Putting the value of A plus B and AB. Okay. Next, 2. If we do a square of 12, then we get 144 minus 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now 2 is multiplied with 4, 0, 6 to 14, it will be 8, carrying 1, that one is added with this section and it is 1. If we subtract 1 from 1, then we get 0. Now we do multiplication. 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16. So 160 will be the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Okay. So dear student, next we shall solve question number C. Prove that A plus 2B whole square minus 5B square equal to 176. That means we need to prove it. That means we need to calculation of left hand side. So write C, and you must write this one again, given that the two numbers are A and B, where A greater than B. According to the information, A plus B equal to 12 and AB equal to 32. We need this information again. After that, dear student, A plus 2B whole square minus 5B square. That means we need the value of A minus B also. So we need to find out the value of A minus B. How can? At first you write, we know that A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So now here I write A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square means 12 square minus 4 into what is the value of AB? The value of AB is 32. Now A minus B whole square equal to 144 minus 4 2s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Now A minus B whole square, now we do subtraction. 8 to 14, it will be 6, carrying 1, that one is added with this 2 and it will be 3. Now we subtract this 3 from 4 and we get 1, so 16. Now A minus B and here root, both sides by doing root, here root and this square is cut and left A minus B and here 16. But dear student, if we do the root of 16, then we get the root of this 16 is 4. So A plus B's value is 12 and A minus B's value is 4 and AB's value is 32. we need this value to calculation left hand side of this question. Now here I write left hand side. Okay, here a plus 2b whole square minus 5b square. Now we do the square of this term, a square plus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square minus 5b square. Now dear student, please notice we do calculation again, a square plus 2 2s are 4 ab. Next plus 4b square minus 5b square. Here you notice 4b square minus 5b square. That means if we do calculation, then we get minus b square. That means minus 5 is subtracted from plus 4 and we get minus 1. Okay, minus 1b square, that means b square, both are same. Now plus 4ab. Now what is the formula of a square minus b square? The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b plus 4ab. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b. The value of a plus b is 12 and the value of a minus b is 4 plus 4 into what is the value of ab? It is 32. Now we do multiplication. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. That means 48 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now we do addition. 8 8 16, 4 2 6 plus 1 7. Plus 1 7 and 1 is written here. So dear student, notice here 176 which is in right hand side. So in this section we easily write right hand side. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. What do you mean by LHS? Left hand side. And what do you mean by RHS? Right hand side. So now we write proved, as the question asks us to prove this. So I write here proved, but if the question asks us to show that, then here I write showed. I hope you have understood, dear student. This is our today's lecture. You must pick up this in your CW copy, and this is your SW also. My dear student, you must do your assign SW in SW copy and submit it regularly in our school library in every Saturday from 9 AM to 13 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.